Loneliness is a trap. It puts you into a hole with no kidnapper to possibly let you out. It leaves you stuck in time, watching the clock go by. Tick, tick, tick. It's like an endless loop. You may have people around you, but that doesn't change anything. You still feel stuck. Just waiting and waiting and waiting to live. At a certain point, you can't feel anything anymore. The tears are dry, but the frown is tattooed. Where everyone can see your hurt through the fakeness, but why do you want people to notice? To be cared about, to be wanted, to be loved despite the darkness. To be cared for is the medicine for the soul, but there is a different kind of care that's needed when you're lonely. Not a how are you doing or I get it, but wanting. No, needing to step into your mind, to see every blue stained thought and highlight it with yellow. But that could never happen, because they're human too. As you stay in the blue, at first it blinds you, and you can only see the outlines of what's familiar. But soon, you get used to it and start to see everything in detail. The chaos, the anger, the pain. It's when you step out into the light that filters your eyes with green that you realize you can escape that world of blue. Eventually.